Welcome to one of Meghalaya's most fascinating natural wonders, Koh Ramha, also known as the Giant Basket Rock, located near Sohra or Cherrapunji. This massive rock formation rises dramatically from the lush green valley below. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary rock, but behind it lies a legendary Khasi folk tale that has been passed down for generations. Today, we are exploring the breathtaking views, the rich landscapes, and the mystery surrounding this iconic landmark. As we approach the viewpoint, the beauty of Sohra unfolds in every direction. Rolling hills, deep valleys, dense forest, and clouds drifting across the horizon create a landscape unlike any other. The cool mountain air and the sound of nature make this place feel peaceful and untouched. Meghalaya is often called the Adobe of clouds, and standing here, it's easy to understand why. Every turn reveals another spectacular view, reminding us of nature's incredible power and beauty. And there it is, Koh Ramha. This towering rock stands alone in the valley, resembling a giant basket placed carefully by an invisible hand. The rock's unusual shape has made it one of the most photographed attractions in Meghalaya. Covered with vegetation at the top and surrounded by steep cliffs, it creates a striking contrast against the green forest below. From this viewpoint, the scale of the formation becomes truly impressive. It stands as a silent witness to centuries of wind, rain, and geological change. But Koh Rama is more than just a rock. According to Khasi folklore, there once lived a giant who carried a massive basket. The giant could travel through these hills using this basket for his daily activities. One day, after a series of events described in local legends, the giant's basket was left behind and eventually turned into a stone. The basket became what we now known as Koh Ramha, the giant basket rock. Whether legend or myth, stories like this are an important part of Khasi culture. They connect people to the land and keep ancient traditions alive through generations. Looking beyond the rock, endless forests stretch towards the horizon. The valley below are filled with rich biodiversity, making Meghalaya one of India's ecological treasures. During the monsoon season, this region transforms into a paradise of waterfalls and vibrant greenery. Mist often wraps around the hills, creating scenes that look straight out of a dream. It's moments like this that reminds us why Sohra attracts travelers, photographers, and nature lovers from around the world. The combination of dramatic landscapes and cultural heritage makes this destination truly unforgettable. As our visit to Koh Rama comes to an end, we are left with more than just beautiful views. We are reminded of the stories. We are reminded of the stories, tradition, and natural wonders that make Meghalaya so unique. If you ever find yourself in Sohra, do not miss the opportunity to witness this remarkable landmark in person. Thank you for joining this journey to the giant basket rock. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventurous hidden places and fascinating stories from Meghalaya and beyond. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering the wonders of our world. Thank you for watching Deep Vlogs.